The next thing I'll be doing is like my 40th. Actually, it's probably way more than that. I've been doing these upgrades for a while now. So I'm going to do it to my kids' e200 scooter. I'd rather have the e2 325, but I've had those come through my hands and sold them at the time because my kids weren't old enough or what have you. But now we're going to take this and upgrade it. I don't bother with lithium battery, lead acid batteries. They're too heavy. The lithium batteries are quicker to charge and they're much lighter. So yeah, I'm going to put 2 lithium hoverboard battery packs in parallel, which means positive to positive, negative to negative, and then positive to negative to the module. I'm changing over the module because you can't just upgrade batteries and be a rebel. You have to change over the module if you want any kind of real power. If you want to go real extreme, you got to change over the sprockets and all that other stuff. But I'm not going to do that. And most of these motors can handle another 12 volts with no problem. Sometimes 24 volts, but you do have to check them. You can melt wires. And of course, you always use an inline fuse. And when you change over to lithium batteries, you have to change over your charging port. Most of the time, these charging ports from these other companies, you have to make sure that your red and black line up. Because even if you have a plug that plugs right in, most of the time, the wires are reversed. So it's not just for any Joe Schmo to do. You got to pay attention, got to do your job, or you're going to learn through mistakes. Do your research, not do your job. Do your job. Do your job. This one's a ski scooter. We did have a tire chain on it, but the one my husband made wasn't quite right. I think it needed some chains to connect them on the side so they wouldn't have moved around so much. But we're just going to maybe put some screws in there and use it like a studded tire. Anyway, we're going to have fun with this.